Hey! So today's video I'm going to do my February favourites, and I'm not going to lie, all of my favourites have been explicitly Lolita fashion related, just because not much happens in February. I normally do a March favourites video because my birthday is March 2nd, and I normally tend to get like new things that I am like really into and like make me happy and lovely gifts from friends. So it is what it is. I'm going to start off with saying that this dress, Sweet Ribbon Strawberry, which I opened in an earlier video, is definitely a February favourite. I've worn it about 4 times, and yeah, this is my alterations I did on it. It's super comfy now. My favourite thing about doing these underarm with waist tie alterations is you get all the room in the sleeves as well. It's so comfy, and it's yellow, and it's cute, and I'm very excited about it, basically. So I'm going to start up with one of my first faves, and that is my honey cake necklace. One of them. This one is super cute. I wear it all the time. Obviously it looks great with honey cake, but also I think it's really cute with this, because the bear just like, he just sits there. I'm going to put him on. I'm really into like resin and acrylic chunky jewellery again, which is a vibe. My next one is Honey Cake, the re-released JSK. This is, oh god, it's so comfy. I could wear it all the time. I am truly a convert to the Church of Honey Cake. I wore this yesterday from when I was filming this, and oh, it's so good. I'm really vibing with yellow. Like, yellow is becoming my thing. Maybe we will see more yellow in the future. Who knows? Maybe I'll buy more yellow dresses. Or maybe I'll just keep buying blue dresses, because blue is a great colour. But yeah, Honey Cake is my second and my first, to a point, February fave. My next February fave has to be a faux collar. Oh my gosh, these are so useful. I have 6 of these. This one's from Primark. It's more of like one would call a dickie. I sometimes wear it with this OP because it goes down quite nicely and it fits under the arm. Yeah, it's got a really cute collar, and honestly, life-changing Lolita hack. It's having some of these, especially if you're into short sleeve OPs, because you can really change it up. And yeah, I have 6 of these. 3 of them are from Monkey, 2 are from ASOS, and then there's this one from Primark. There's a black one of these as well at Primark that when Primark reopen, I will be going to get. And another, that's just behind, another fave that is along a similar line is the Monkey big collar blouse. This has like, it's on a tiny hanger because it's on a hanger for my collar, but I'm gonna just take that off. It's not helping anyone. This is the Monkey big collar blouse. It is white, it is 100% cotton, and it's just got great old school vibes. There's like cute ruffles on the cuffs, the collar's ruffled. It is an absolutely giant collar experience. I've worn this a few times recently. It washes well. It definitely needs an iron. I haven't ironed it. I was just like, yeah, I need to film it. This is the extra large, and I have space. So if you can get Monkey, like, look at how much space I have. It's great. Would highly recommend. I could size down to an L in this. So if you're looking for a plus size blouse, this in an XL is great for a whole range of sizes, I promise you. We're going to put that behind. We've just got like half a cord up behind. And I'm going to move on to my next one. I got a new petticoat this month. and it's just another version of a petty I already had. It's the Aurora and Ariel 12-meter petticoat with a custom sized waistband. I actually got this secondhand on eBay. I already had one. My first one was the 16-meter, which is huge. This is a 12. It is super sturdy, super comfy, and honestly, for the price these are, oh my gosh, they're amazing. It's just, oh, a 10 out of 10, honestly. Every time anyone asks me for a petticoat recommendation, I do send them to Aurora and Ariel, and the best thing is, even though I got this second hand, it's new with tag. Nearly done with my last February favourite. So we've had 2 dresses, a honey cake, and the honey cake necklace, the petticoats, the fake collars, the blouses, and then milk bags. Oh my gosh, I got 2 new ones, and I am completely obsessed with both of them. This is a navy one. It's got things in because I have been using them. It's got the container for some mini brands and a face mask. But yeah, they're so spacious. Like, there's 2 mini brands containers and a face mask in there, and there's still loads of room. And then I used this one when I went out today, and it's got my purse and a can of drink in it, and there's still loads of room, and you can't tell that it's got loads of stuff in it. I love them to bits. This one, I need to spray with some stuff because it's cracking, but I feel like with metallic stuff that happens more anyway. But yeah, milk bags, oh my gosh. Yeah, that is it. That is my February Lolita faves. I like how it's like really specifically Lolita this month. Music wise, I've really been bopping to Paramore. I feel like I'm always bopping to Paramore. But yeah, Paramore has been in my life this month. I have Spotify playlists. I may put them in the description, I'm not sure. But yeah, if anyone's got any like music recommendations, do tell me. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this in any other video, but oh my gosh, I am really into the anime D4DJ. It ended in January and it ran from October. It's by the same people who made Love Live, and it's a DJing anime, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Please watch D4DJ. Oh, I need more people to talk about D4DJ too. If you do watch D4DJ, please tell me who your best girl is. Mine is Mooney. Mooney is Monique, and I love her very deeply. Maybe I will try and put a picture of Mooney or a video of Mooney here because I love her. I'm so excited for figures for this series to come out. So yeah, those are my my music and media faves are apparently Paramore, which is always a fave, and D4DJ, which is a more recent thing. So I hope that was enjoyable, and I will see you next time.